So it started, they decided they wanted a project for people, like supporting into work for people with learning difficulties. And so they started Hot Pots, and I took over a few months after it began, and in the 5 years we've gone from opening 1 day a week to 5 days a week, to taking on different projects, starting with 3 volunteers and now we've got 12 volunteers, and just changing in what we do here and the bakery side of it, so it's just grown loads.
My name is Rachel and I am the volunteer at Hot Pots Cafe, and I serve people and make drinks and make lunches.
Find us through our Facebook page. They could email me or phone me, and they could even just pop into Hot Pots at the cricket club or the community centre for a nice coffee and cake.